G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. So, it's registered and on the road, and Aliyah had one request at the beginning of the year. And what was that, Aliyah?
To get it finished by the Year 6 farewell.
To get it finished for her Year 6 farewell. So, we're cracking along throughout the year, with the beginning of the year, then this crazy pandemic hit, and then I thought, oh well, we won't need to worry about it, they'll be all cancelled, so I slowed down a bit. And then 3 weeks before your Year 6 farewell, they said they was going to do one. So we cracked on pretty hard and we finished it. The day before your Year 6 grad, we got the number plates and we got it on the road. So we're cutting it really fine, but we did it, didn't we? So well done. So it was excellent to get it on the road, take it for its first drive. What was more exciting was to be able to take you and your friend all dressed up, looking absolutely beautiful on their first drive for the Year 6 farewell. So we pulled it off, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Right, so we're going to show you a little bit of that footage from that day, and we're going to show you some before and after shots from nearly 3 years ago, or from nearly 2.5 years ago to what it looks like now, and a bit of comparison there. So we'll get into it. We've got a bit to learn about this 40. So we brought the cruiser out to Jack's Pop's farm. Here's Pop, he's coming in, he's sneaking in. And the reason we brought Jack out here today is Jack's going to get his first drive in the cruiser. Yes. So it's pretty exciting. He's put a lot of work and effort into it, as you guys have seen. So it's only fair that we give Jack a drive. And that's why we're out at Pop's farm. So alrighty, exciting times. Clutch and brake. Okay. Yep, so up in the first, straight up. Now foot off the brake. Slowly off the clutch, you won't need much accelerator. Keep coming off the clutch, keep the accelerator now. Yep. Clutch in. Second. Now you're in neutral. Clutch in, clutch in, clutch in. Here you go, second. That's it, Jack. that gate. Just slower, slower. You don't need to go fast. More revs. Careful of the gate, mate. That was close. Crikey. Back in the first. That's it. That's it. Good job. There you go, Jack. That's my boy. He's a ripper. So we got it out on the road. Woohoo! And that's pretty exciting. So we've got one small little issue that we need to sort out. The alternator has died, so we're not charging the battery. So we charge the battery up, so we can take it out for a run. But if you look behind us, so this is its second drive. First drive was for Aliyah's Year 6 farewell, and Aliyah's behind the camera now. So that was pretty exciting to get it out and show it off. Two beautiful little girls in it. We're going to head down to Tulking at the moment. They've been a major supporter through this entire build, so we're going to go down there and get some photos in front of Tulking. So we've done a bit of a swap now. So now we're in the FJ40, Drew's FJ40, and he's cruising behind in mine. See you, boys.
Thanks for having us.
Bye.
Good on ya. Thanks, Drew. Have a safe trip home.
All right.
Good on ya.
See ya.
See ya. Dad's been waiting for this time for a long time. Been keen to take it for a drive.
You betcha.
Working it out.
Big steering wheel.
What do you think, Dad?
Yeah, not bad, eh? What's more to the under 66 team build too?
Yeah, hit a pretty 65.
65.
Yep, it'll be nice.
Ah.
Righto guys, here we are. We got it on the road, which is really exciting. Really good that we got on for Aliyah's Year 6 farewell. We got there the day before, which is pretty cool. So as you've seen, we got to take it for a drive. Jack got to take it for a drive. Charlie got to take it for a drive.
I got to drive in it.
Shelley got to drive in it. All the kids, the whole families have been in it. And guys, thank you so much for your support in this build. It's not the end of the build. There's a few little things we want to do to this, make some half doors and a few other little bits and pieces that we need to sort out, the alternator. But of course, we've got the FJ45 that's coming up next, which will be pretty exciting. You excited about that, Shell?
Oh, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. No, I'd like to say a Merry Christmas, and I know it's been a hard year for a lot of you, us included. So I'd like to say thank you for supporting us as a family, and this has brought a lot of joy to all of us, and it's brought us closer together as a family. But yeah, I'd just like to say Merry Christmas, and I wish us all the best next year, and yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And thanks for watching.
Good one, Jack.
Goodbye.
And Happy New Year! I was about to laugh.